Good afternoon. Here we have the little blue heron, and he likes to hang out at this little pond because he's got some music and some chartreuse growing behind him. Something chartreuse. Anyway, he's the resident here at this pond, and he's pretty in the sun, isn't he? Alright, I am Nancy the Nature Girl. Try to get out in it today, every day. Enjoy the beautiful weekend. Oh, we've got some little butterflies. And I wonder what he eats out of this pond. Oh, there's some little critters landing on it there. Yeah. Okay. Over and out. Have fun in nature today.